Did you know a volcanic burp once gave the entire planet a really bad day? In 1883, the sleepy Indonesian island of Krakatoa was just another tropical paradise where fishermen cast their nets and kids splashed in crystal blue waters. Then on August 27th, the mountain decided to throw the world's loudest tantrum. The explosion was so ridiculously loud that people 3,000 miles away thought it was cannon fire next door. Eardrums burst 40 miles away. The sound literally circled Earth 4 times. But that was just the warm-up act. The ash cloud shot 50 miles high and began its world tour, blocking sunlight everywhere it went. For months, sunsets looked like crime scenes, blood red and eerie. Snow fell in places that had never seen a snowflake. Global temperatures dropped like a rock. This single mountain basically broke Earth's thermostat for years. And that's how one cranky volcano gave us the phrase "red sky at night" and proved Mother Nature has zero chill.